Hello everyone. Today we will be seeing a tutorial on how to use pikpak-webdav. So for this we have some requirements. One is we need a webdav client. I will be using this client for this tutorial, and we need pikpak premium. So if you don't have pikpak premium, you can alternatively check out this website, and you can use some of the premium features for free. And we need a webdav details, so we will be gathering these details from our mypikpak.com website. Let me navigate to the website, and we need to go to settings, and if you scroll down you will see webdav, this feature. Click on it, and you can see the endpoint here. Just copy this, and yeah, first of all paste this here, and you scroll down a bit. You will see this plus add clients button. Click on it. A new client will be created, and copy the username as well, and keep this with you, and copy the password as well, and keep this with you again. Now I will open the webdav client, and yeah, as you can see, click on this add button and navigate to the NAS option, and you will see the webdav here. Fill out all the required details one by one. First of all, the source link, and the username, and the password as well. So after filling all these, click on connect. As you can see, a new storage has been added as local disk, and you can see all the content in your pikpak account. So alternatively, if you want to directly assign a particular path, let me disconnect it first and go to settings again. Now you can see this is an option called path. You can enter any particular folder name and just apply the settings and click on OK. Now run the server again. You see, it will navigate to the particular folder directly instead of directing it to the root folder. So now I can, let me navigate to this folder, and I will play this video. See, it will directly play using your webdav credentials.
ఏయ్, అతనికి దూరంగా వెళ్ళండి. మీ శిక్షణ గురించి పూర్తిగా మర్చిపోయారా?
Yeah, that's all from this tutorial. Thank you everyone.